Hello, what's up? It's your girl Jayla Phelps coming to you today with an eyebrow tutorial and a Kat Von D super brow review. So vibe with your girl. Stay tuned if you like this video, like and subscribe if you would like to see more content like this, because I definitely got more coming for you. Stay blessed.
Hello. Okay, so I wanted to give you guys the full scoop, the full tea. So this is how I shape my eyebrows. I just use a razor. I don't go get them done by anybody. I don't like people touching my eyebrows. So I do my own. And yeah, we like to keep a nice clean arched eyebrow. Nothing too crazy, because I like to follow my natural eyebrow line when I fill them in. On to the makeup side of this eyebrow tutorial, we are using Kat Von D 24-hour super brow, and honestly I like it. I usually use Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is actually really great too. I just wanted to try something new, and I really like this formula. It's really creamy. It applies really creamy, and then it dries and becomes matte, which I like. I don't know. I really like it. I don't really have a complaint. I wish I got it in a lighter color, a little bit lighter, because it's dark in comparison to my hair. But you know what? You live and you learn. And yeah. So please don't mind the shape. I'm gonna clean it up with concealer in a second. So yeah, it might look a little crazy at the moment, but we gon' fix it. I just realized that I'm using foundation over concealer, which I use foundations when I'm trying to go for a more natural look. Concealer can make your eyebrows pop out more, which is fine for dramatic looks, but we just chilling. So I'm giving you crisp but natural nonetheless, you feel me? So after that, just make corrections where you need to make corrections, fill in any spots that you might have covered up. Understand that your eyebrows are meant to be sisters, not twins. So whatever they come out, as long as they look good, you're fine, sis. It's really not that big of a deal. They're just eyebrows. So yes, this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you like it. I hope you learned a little bit. Stay blessed, stay beautiful. I'm happy to see you here. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.